All right, everyone, we'll get started here. Welcome, everyone, to the Moldex3D webinar series. My name is Alex Baker from the Moldex3D North America office here in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Today, we'll be talking about what's new in Moldex3D 2025. This session is going to be split into 4 sections. We have project management and usability, solver capability and database, pre-processing and integration tools, and then molding innovation, what new features we have available coming or what features have been improved in the 2025 version. As you may have seen, our development roadmap is focused around 3 main categories: automation, optimization, and intelligence. And so you'll see a lot of the new features and new capabilities in Moldex3D are going to be driven by these 3 goals. All right, starting off with project management and usability. I'm going to start off with a couple of the heavy hitters here. First of all, we have a new integration or a new capability through our DOE function. Instead of just being able to run the typical DOE, which you still have the capability to do, we have a new option here called the AI Optimization Wizard. This, instead of setting up individual data points, we'll be able to set a range instead. And so that range, this AI Optimization Wizard will test within this range to get to the optimized value. In this case, we have max injection pressure. You can see that it runs several iterations along the way to achieve the lowest injection pressure possible. In addition to this, the DOE now has a real-time interactive prediction so that you can click and drag any of these control factors, because we already know what the sensitivity looks like, and see the resulting impact on the quality factors. So as I drag these up and down, you can see that we already know what that sensitivity looks like, and so we can tell what the resulting output would look like if we change some of these input parameters. So awesome new tool that allows us to get more versatile output from the DOE function. We've also added an enhancement to the DOE to optimize factors with some more flexibility. For example, you can change your flow rate, not only the flow rate value, but you can also change things like your profiling for your flow rate. You can change your profiling for packing pressure and these sorts of things. You can optimize these intermediate sections of the flow rate profiles rather than just changing the magnitude like we could in the past.